Hey everyone, if you want to convert an image into a vector in Inkscape in 2026, this is the full beginner guide. I'll show you step by step how to turn any image into a clean, scalable vector design. First, open Inkscape and import your image by going to File, then clicking Import. This brings your raster image into the workspace. Next, click on the image to select it. Make sure it is highlighted before you start converting it. Now go to Path and choose Trace Bitmap. This is the main feature used to convert images into vector paths. After that, choose a tracing mode like single scan or multiple scans. Single scan works best for simple designs, while multiple scans are better for colored images. Next, adjust the brightness threshold or color settings. This controls how detailed your final vector will be. Now click Apply to generate the vector version. Inkscape will place the vector on top of the original image. After that, move the new vector away from the original image and delete the background if needed. This helps keep only the clean vector version. Finally, use the node tool to refine and clean your vector. This makes your design look smooth and professional. So yeah, that's how you convert an image to vector in Inkscape in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can turn any image into a scalable professional design. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Inkscape tutorials for beginners. Hey,